Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 4701 Middle Road in Rushville.
This is an amazing 5-bedroom home on nearly 2 acres. Country living at its best. So let's take a tour.
This is updated country living with a spacious eat-in kitchen, with beautiful cabinetry, a center island, and hardwood floors, leading to a formal dining room with crown molding, and an expansive living room with deck access and a propane fireplace, plus an adjacent powder room and laundry. The upstairs features 5 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this wonderful master suite with beautiful hardwood floors and a full bathroom.
This home is situated on nearly 2 private landscaped acres, with a beautiful deck and patio overlooking the wooded lot with trails. Nearby is Canandaigua Lake, with Vine Valley Beach to launch your boat. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4701 Middle Road in Rushville.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!